Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is about Xiaomi's next flagship phone series called Xiaomi 12. Now some of you might be wondering if it should be called Xiaomi Mi 12. Well, no, they decided to drop the Mi branding from its products going forward, so it's just Xiaomi 12. Now this series will include Xiaomi 12, 12 Pro, 12 Ultra and possibly a mini version of the phone. All these phones except for Mini will bound to be the most powerful and a hell of a trouble for 2022. Why? Well, it should be the first to debut with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon chip, the Snapdragon 898 aka Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. But before we get to all of that, let's take a look at the launch time frame. According to a popular leaker, the Xiaomi 12 will debut in China sometime in December. That falls in line with Mi 11 launch window last year. But as for the global launch, if you have noticed, it's always been March or April. At present, we only know that it will have a global launch in early 2022. About the specs, let me make it clear that there's no complete information regarding any of the models. There's only been few pieces of information available. With that in mind, let's get started. There have been surprisingly few concrete leaks so far regarding how the Xiaomi 12 will actually look. Overall, we believe the screen and design will look roughly the same as the Mi 11 lineup, but with no front-facing camera. This doesn't mean selfies are not allowed, but that the phone could have an under-display snapper. Next year, we believe most OEMs will transition to under-display front camera. But hold your horses, there is a contradicting leak which mentions punch hole cutout for selfie. We believe it's only for basic and pro models. However, until we get an actual image of the phone, nothing is set in stone. About the display, the leaks mention that there will be both 1080p and 2K res displays depending on the variant. For sure, the Ultra model will get 2K res display with 120Hz refresh rate panel. Rest of the models, we are not so sure. What we are sure about is the processor. They are gonna use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for vanilla Xiaomi 12, 12 Pro and Ultra models, whereas the mini or light variant could come with Snapdragon 870 chip. It's subsequently been reported that the Xiaomi 12 will also be one of the first phones to support the new, faster LPDDR5X RAM standard. As for cameras, a fresh leak by Digital Chat Station suggests that Leica and Xiaomi may have struck a deal for the upcoming Xiaomi 12 lineup. And from what we know, the vanilla Xiaomi 12 will have a 50MP main cam with a 50MP ultra-wide cam, while the Plus and Ultra model should get an additional 50MP periscope lens that will give you at least 5 times optical zoom. Additionally, the tipster also says that the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will house an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor underneath its display. As for battery, my drivers reported that Xiaomi 12 will come equipped with 120W fast charging and possibly 100W wireless charging. That said, we expect to learn more about the Xiaomi 12 Ultra and other models in the series in the upcoming days, so we want you to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So that's it for today and hope to catch you in the next one.